It is Thursday evening, March 9th, 2023. This is Via Rail train number 1, the Canadian. I'm taking it from Toronto to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. This is my lower berth number 3 in Monck Manor.
Awesome. My name's Anne Liddy, and you'll be able to find me in the car.
There's my new sleeping car attendant. Winnipeg, Canada, minus 6 degrees Celsius outside.
If you ever need to call me.
Let's take a walk back to the dome observation. Prince Albert Park through my sleeping car here. A little bit about my sleeper, Monck Manor. Next we have one of the 2 dome cars, Skyline Dome. Yeah, Sharon, go ahead. Next will be the dining car Louise. Complimentary apples and oranges. Complimentary coffee. Now we'll go through dining car Louise, which has fresh linen, real silverware, fresh chef prepared meals, real linen.
Sorry, you can't choose that door, okay? Sorry. Oh, merci Chantal. I just called you at the radio. Do you have a rubber band by any chance? Yes. Like yellow ones? Yeah. Do you understand that?
New provisions for the dining car.
Yeah, thank you.
The sleeping car attendants, dining car staff, they change here at Winnipeg, Manitoba. Go ahead. They go from Toronto to Winnipeg, then there's a new crew gets on here at Winnipeg on to Vancouver. Just want to go through to the dome observation. Take your time. I gave a presentation here. Photos taken in Germany last July. And the dining car, this is all kitchen area here on the right. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Can I get you for in my YouTube video here or not?
Yes, you
Yeah,
can.
Amtrak doesn't
Totally
do this.
fine.
Amtrak doesn't want their videos or photos.
We're
Thank you.
just counting the bar, getting everything ready for tomorrow.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it.
There you go. Have a nice evening, sir.
You too. Next will be sleeping car Chateau Cadillac, which has prestige classrooms, the highest class. Huge bed, huge window. But my lower berth has a huge bed and huge window too. I like this car since I worked for the locomotive division at General Motors. So now I can say I've got a Cadillac for a minute or two. Next will be the Dome observation car, Prince Albert Park. This car also has prestige class bedrooms on the left. And then we come to the wonderful bar where I'm ready to have a cocktail after going to the Fort Garry Hotel.
Hello.
Can I get you in my video?
Sure.
Even Amtrak doesn't do this. Amtrak doesn't do this. You're good sales ladies.
Hello. Welcome.
And here is the Bullet Lounge. And upstairs is the Dome.
Don't mess up your booze.
Yeah, might as well, good idea.
Your booze.
Folks, I'm sorry to say there is now a buffer car. The Christie Manor sleeping car, because there's some concern about the structural integrity of these stainless steel cars built by the Budd Company in Philadelphia in the mid-1950s. Word is they might be removed at the end of this month. And we'll again be able to look out the rear of this wonderful Dome observation car. And the tour is complete. Thursday evening, March 9th, 2023. Via Rail Canadian train number 1 heading from Toronto to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Winnipeg, Manitoba. Over and out.